Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smartthings app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smartthings is a smart home automation app developed by Samsung. It lets users control a wide range of compatible smart devices including lights, thermostats, TVs, cameras, locks, and appliances, all from a single dashboard. The app supports routines, scenes, voice assistants like Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, and also includes automation based on time, location, or sensor triggers. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is sleek and easy to navigate, with a clean interface that simplifies managing multiple devices. Users like how seamlessly it connects with Samsung products and how the automation features can be personalized. It's especially useful for routines like turning off all lights at bedtime or adjusting the thermostat when leaving home. That said, it's not flawless. Some users report occasional syncing issues with third-party devices or delays in executing routines. A few reviews mention that the app can feel slightly heavy or slow on older phones. Also, certain advanced features may require compatible hubs or newer device models. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Smartthings is a powerful and flexible smart home platform, especially for users already in the Samsung ecosystem. It's feature-rich, reliable for most tasks, and brings together a wide range of devices under one roof. If you want centralized control with smart automation, this app is definitely worth a look. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.